Okay, Sonia. So you are about, 10, 12 days after a complex breast revision surgery. How are you feeling?
I am feeling wonderful. I am a fast healer, and Dr. Kusuma did a great job. I'm very pleased. It's been long coming after previous revisions that were not done correctly. And the reason that I had this revision done was because after I had had my daughter, I had a huge increase in my breasts, roughly 6 breast sizes. So I went from a 34 double D to a 38 triple D. And at the time, for my size, it was a lot of weight to carry. I had the reduction, and that went well. And then within, I would say, 5 years later, my breasts increased even more the next time. So, because of the heavy weight on my chest and on my shoulders, weight bearing, it was a lot. And I was a very muscular person. So, that was a lot for me to carry. So, I had the revision done again. And that second surgery um, did not go well. With the doctor that did it, it was done not in a good light. So I was basically botched. Um, After that caused my breasts, of the type of surgery that was done incorrectly, my breast was flattened out. They flared out and it changed the whole disposition of what my breasts originally looked like. In other words, the way you were born. I was not happy with that. And sometimes it's very difficult to get the right surgeon to do the right job. So I waited a little bit, and many years had passed. And due to many things going on with my life, I had to wait until 2000 and let me see what that was, 2019 or 2020 actually. And I was trying to get a revision to correct that previous revision. As a result, that again was not done correctly, and I had continual botching, and still the flatten out. I had more scarring added to my body unnecessarily. That just nothing was done right. So when I met Dr. Kasuma, I was emphatic about this procedure being done, that this was my last attempt to get it done. I felt he gave me the confidence that it would be, and he did not let me down. Now my breast is corrected, look like kind of the way you'd want to look, the way I've kind of came into the world and fully developed. And I'm very pleased with it. This is one of my second surgeries with Dr. Kasuma, and I look the way a person would want to look. I am pleased. And when I tell you I am a difficult person to please, I am, because I live that kind of life. And I think if you in were to retain him for services such as a breast revision or even other surgeries, I think he would do quite well. And I'm pleased with it. He's a great listener, and I highly recommend him.